everyone, welcome to an algebra video tutorial learning about polynomial division. In this case, we're going to take a polynomial and learn how to divide it by a monomial. So what I've got here, we've got 24 times x to the third y squared plus 18x squared y minus 9xy. So it's a trinomial, it's got three terms. And we're going to divide it by this monomial over here, 3 times x times y. So what I would do to set up the polynomial division, I'm actually going to rewrite the whole thing out here. So let's rewrite this. We got 24 x cubed y squared. I'm going to write the first polynomial just as it is, 18x squared times y minus 9xy. But instead of doing the division on the end, I'm going to put the division more as like a fraction, and I'm going to divide each term. So you almost have to think of it like the distributive property. Every term inside is being divided by 3xy. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute and show it as division. All right, once we've set it up this way, now it looks kind of familiar, right? Doesn't it look like simplifying an expression, everything we did with exponent properties? So I need to remember all my quotient rules of exponents and just deal with the numbers and the variables one at a time and simplify things down. So let's start with this whole first term right here. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. X to the third divided by 1x, this is x to the first power right there. I can subtract the exponents, 3 minus 1 gives me 2, or I can think about the fact that I have 3 x's in the numerator and I'm going to divide 1 out with the denominator, leaving just 2 x's left. So I got x squared. With the y, same thing. I got y squared, but I'm dividing 1y out, so I'm left with just 1y. All right, nice. I'm going to add to that. Now let's look at the second term here. 18 divided by 3 is going to be 6. X squared divided by 1x leaves 1x left. And y divided by y, they end up canceling each other out. Any number or any variable divided by itself just equals 1. But I don't have to put the 1 there, so I'm just going to leave it as 6x. And finally, we got minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. X divided by x is 1. Y divided by y is 1. So I just end up with 3 for the last term. And there we go. We have successfully divided out our trinomial by the monomial. We had to distribute the division to each one of these three terms. That's why we wrote it out this way in the middle here. And then we just divided each term separately using our exponent properties, and we got to our resulting trinomial.